You guys never saw Nick before, so say hi, Nick.
Hello people, I'm here in live and live in color, you know. Nice of a thing, you know. There, you know. Alright.
Yeah, so that is Nick. I like it to go rain too. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry for not putting up any vlog for the longest while because I was home for the holidays and then I got so caught up with other things I just forgot to take out my camera. Say hi, Jelly.
Hi. So long zoom it. Zoom it. Somebody live to them, I'm gonna come better, come video.
Betty, say yo. Big up KK necessary blog. All I say with up on the beach in idea. West Sanjay birthday, family link up. Family.
How we there, family?
But I didn't make up today.
Oh, it look cute.
No. Hi, Shika. How are you?
Hey, I'm shy. My friend Jelani.
Yeah, man, yeah, I
Hey. And we're here at License Beach.
Yeah,
Having a day out.
yeah.
And do not mind my lips.
And do not mind my lips.
Get up.
Not my big bra.
You really I see.
Nah, me kiss. No mind me kiss, yeah.
Subscribe, like,
Share, comment.
Share, comment. Yeah.
And that is my brother. Weed is his best friend.
I sang the gift popcorn.
Very funny.
And that's my cousin Stacy.
That can't no much more way too zoomy. I guess so.
You look good. Yeah.
No, the belly. No man, this has too much complication.
So today we are going to Falling Edge Falls. That's in Stony Hill. My boyfriend and I, no, Nick is coming as well. So you'll see Nick, and yeah, hopefully we'll not take that long to reach up there because it's a late start to our day and I didn't know that so much traffic would be on the road. So yeah, I don't know if we're gonna make it, but it's a little hike up, so that's why I wanted to go because I'm all for the hike. Oh, I wanted to go to MAC to buy a lipstick, but I'm not sure if that since there's so much traffic down the road. But let us see. And that's the main reason why I'm on makeup too, because if we go MAC to try a lipstick. I don't know, am I the only person who, when you're going to try a lipstick, you think saying if you put on makeup ensure that the lipstick, you actually want the lipstick? I don't know, maybe it's just a me thing. But we're there waiting for Nick. I'm gonna taste this from my patty. Hopefully him urban come out so that we can actually leave out, because then this is gonna be a double. So today I am going for my cousin that I have not seen in a while. She's coming to Jamaica for probably a week or so. Yeah, I think it's 1 week she's staying for. So we're going to pick her up at the Donald Sangsters Airport in Montego Bay. And if you know nothing about Jamaica, you know, so that's a long travel. We'll go back from Kingston to Montego Bay. So today that's what we're doing. But first we're going to go to the MAC store to get me a lipstick and then wear it out. I have something else to tell them, but I don't remember what it is. I don't know. Maybe when we remember me telling them. The place is a bit cloudy, so it seems as if rain is going to fall in Kingston. I don't know if rain is, I don't know if it's raining in Montego Bay, but Kingston, it sure look like it's soon rain. Oh, and I'm with Evan, of course. Say hi.
Hi.
So yeah, when we reach, I don't think we can video in MAC. I think they have a no camera rule. Can you see what's happening out here? Like the rain starts on and everybody is flooded out. Anyways, guys, I know you can only smell it because when I think say makeup. When I want to makeup on them, I want this big bright red lips, so I'm only going to see my lips right now. So I went into the MAC store to get the red lipstick that I have on my lip. But this is what this is the dilemma that I came across when I was in the store. First of all, I'm going to the store, nobody not even say good afternoon, nothing. Nobody even looked to see if I was buying something, because obviously customer coming in the store, you're supposed to tell them good afternoon, may I assist? And there were a couple of the assistants not doing anything. So I knew what I was going in the store for, but for somebody who don't know what I'm going to the store for, you know, so that would be an issue. So anyways, I'm going to the store. I searched for the Ruby Woo lipstick that I wanted. So I took up the cherry and the Ruby Woo, and I told the assistant, because they're the only person that can go in the drawer to give you the lipstick and the liner now. I went to the assistant now and said I wanted these. So I showed her that it was the cherry liner and the Ruby Woo lipstick, and this woman took up the Ruby Woo liner, as you can see, the Ruby Woo liner, and then the cherry, and then the Ruby Woo lipstick. If you knew that I took up a chip cherry liner and a Ruby Woo lipstick, and you know that there was a Ruby Woo liner, you should have suggested to me that there's a Ruby Woo liner. Would you prefer to have the Ruby Woo liner instead of the cherry one? Because that's what I picked up. If I as a customer pick up something and I say if I want, I do believe that it should be what I get. MAC Cosmetic Jamaica need to do better on that. Because me pick up what I want, nobody assisted me, and I took up what I wanted. You should not change what I wanted. First of all, she didn't even show me that that's what she placed in the bag. And because you know, you go up to the counter, she picked it up, carried it up to the counter, cash it, and put it in the bag same time, and then left. I was a person who like, you know what, let me check to see if I got what I really wanted, because the last time they did the same thing with a foundation that I have. I went for a foundation, and instead of the girl giving me the color that I asked for, she gave me a different one, and then I had to end up going back because the one that she chose for me, as my look pan it, I saw that it was very light on my complexion. I either go same complexion with foundation or a tad bit darker. Me never go lighter, because I don't think I like the funeral casket look, so I don't go lighter with my foundation. So I'm just saying this to say that if you never assist me in the first place, me take up my 2 items that I wanted to purchase, because you don't know what I'm doing with the cherry liner. Suppose I wanted the cherry liner for something else, but me just still try to see if I like it. You understand what I say? People shouldn't do that. Like, she should have asked me or say, miss, you realize that it's a cherry liner you took up, right? Not the Ruby Woo liner. And then I would tell her that, yeah, because that's the one I wanted. But this girl come give me the one that she feel like say me need for tech. But at the end of the day, yeah, they need to fix them act. If me take up my cherry liner, give me my cherry liner. Unless you ask me, you say, ma'am, I saw that you pick up the cherry liner, and I just want to know if that's the one that you would prefer, or you can try the Ruby Woo one. As I said, that would make it even better. Then would I say, alright, I have a choice, take the Ruby Woo one or take the cherry one, and then would I make my decision. But don't make a decision for a person that you not even did that assisting in the first place. You understand what I mean? Like, don't do it. Yeah, but don't rant for now. Maybe later I start rant again, because MAC disgusting to me. We're on the toll now. I'm trying to stay up because we know everyone will want to record me asleep.
Catch me rolling through the city. Riding with the top off.
Remember that song?
Yeah. Just play this all the time.
Now it's all eyes on me.
What they gonna do? Okay, I know. She said, hold on, come and start. I'm gonna stay you there. And love for a lifetime. I gotta take myself away from all these things that hurt me. Finally the herbs come around. Me hybrid with me and look, I'ma get it by the pound, yeah. You know, and I know, say I'm a time for none one. Hey, I'm a time for none one.
You're not junk food.
Butterfly now my belly, I'm not junk food.
Your pussy fat and pretty pretty. She said she love you, you make her kiss. Come and love you, my baby.
I love you everything. Don't give me reason to say I love you everything.
Everybody know, rock the world up, rock the world up, rock the world up,
Rock the world now,
rock the world up,
rock the world now, rock the world now, dance and rock the world.
Marshall up to my yard. Give me the remix, shake up your mama, shake up your mama.
Whew, that was a workout. So my battery is dying, guys, and I don't have a spare battery for this camera. So I guess this is where we're going to end this part of the vlog, maybe until I get home. Hi guys, so we are back home, but everybody is basically sleeping except me. Kinda just got my camera to charge up a bit so I could end the vlog. So until next time, see you, bye.